You see, Nigerians are one set of very, very petty people. If you do something to them, 50 years later, they will go and dig out that video. Once internet is involved, social media. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. On this episode of What is Trending, plenty people they cry for these primaries. The other guy, they cry, they complain. Low key, he say they cry, they complain. Now, Desmond Elliot, the Nollywood Desmond Elliot, he failed in primaries in Surulere. You know what Oga do? Oga say he is withdrawing. Anyway, I don't need to say much. Remember, in 2020, Desmond Elliot come on mind, go House of Assembly, go they tell people for cabinet there, say make them ban internet, that they should ban the internet. Remember, 2020, the world was going through a pandemic, so people were relying on social media just for survival, sort of to unwind and all those things. Now Desmond Elliot carry himself go House of Assembly, say make them ban social media in Nigeria, say the youths are not doing anything, they just there they press phone. The same person is now coming out again for primaries, forgetting what he do. You know who? He lost his primaries to a lady. Anyway, I don't need to say much here. Say you get as something's going to happen, you need evidence. So let me give you the evidence of waiting happen 2020. Let me throw you back to 2020 on waiting this guy talk. Take a look at this video.
We need to address certain things. The Nigerian youth, the social media, the social influencers, all of these are making the narrative that we are seeing today, except we are joking with ourselves. Social media, yes, though good, has its negative impact. Let me first thank you for condemning the wanton killings and carnage that happened at Lekki. When I went through the comments, I could not believe it, Mr. Speaker. The curses, the abuses from children. And I ask myself, is this Nigeria? What is going on? Children cursing?
So my dear people, so fast forward to 2026. You see this life? That's why you have to begin waiting, humble. So fast forward to 2026. This guy was coming out again from honorable now. Young people when they shout, ole, who, ole, they call and thief. Young people they call and thief. So from honorable to thief. That's why I told you people, Nigerians are very petty. They know they ever forget. That's why if you are coming out, or if you a reason to come out for any political waiting, better know your people, because all this grassroots level where you feel say they no be anything, now these same people. So all the Surulere people go they shout, hey, ole, ole. I'll put the video. Okay, take a look at the video.
After BP has been declared the winner of what F3.
Anyway, side note, if Nigerians use this same attitude when they use for Desmond Elliot, Nigeria go better, because you can't be petty and allow the politicians maybe they use us, they play. You get, because they know even the one way happen for Olo, that one eye clear, eye open like this, no be with to show off car, private jet, say in a tatola meat pie in a private jet. Like how many people get G-Wagon? Now G-Wagon is not a regular car. Anyway, side that's one is by the way. So this one, they say breeze blew like this, found yash open. It touch am, see pain. You know what thing happen? Nigerians mouth it bad way. They say there's a paper that was passed. The person will be human being will say he be lawmaker. You know read through the paper. He did not read anything. No, he quickly see Tinubu name. He go Mumu go sign. After he sign finish, you know what in this Malu they talk. He say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu still they control Lagos. If he say on how he still there with them now, he was with those people. He threw Nigerians under the bus. Now you know say in Godfather, now switched and now supporting another person. You see, they call the godfather, that man Bajamila, they call the man, say daddy. First of all, how old is that man? This Desmond Elliot, they call this man daddy. I think Desmond Elliot doesn't understand the politics in Nigeria. He doesn't get it. A grown adult that was a lawmaker prior to now he lost these primaries to a lady. I said it before now. Nigerians are very shady and petty people. You know what they're saying? They're telling Desmond Elliot that they something that you have served over time, say it's time up for you, say they are welcoming you back to the trenches. I don't know whether he's going back to the trenches, but Nigerians, no, if you know say you are coming out for any public office, please, you need to act right. You need to act right. I think the Nollywood is I think maybe he's probably going back to Nollywood and start kissing the kissing scenes and all those his lover boy scenes, because obviously the primaries are not for you. You know, Desmond they lie. Person will come out on the video say he's withdrawing. You know what they talk now? He say he's not actually withdrawing. Say he's withdrawing all his agents.
They've been intimidating and stopping us. I want to officially announce my withdrawal from this particular race. This is my word. If you go outside, those are my people outside, and they've not, please show them outside. They've not been allowed. So I am officially announcing my withdrawal from this race. Good luck. Thank you. And God bless you. I am not withdrawing. Why I said withdrawal there is I'm withdrawing my agents from going to participate in the voting process. But we are appealing the process. We are appealing, not definitely appealing.
Like, who does this guy want to represent? Who? That's it from me here. However you feel about this video, let's continue the conversation on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella, and that's what is trending. Peace out.